Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Pepe Update. Today we're trading at 964 at the moment, and today is another update, and I think the weekly time frame is something I'm interested in talking about. So there is a similarity going on with Pepe, and we also have like 3 black crows going on in here, and I've talked about it before. But this week we are having, it's just been 2 days. Today's Tuesday, so 5 days, 6 hours to close the weekly. And I think the plan for the next 5 days is going to be super boring. I think this candle is going to be very, very sideways. And I think scalpers are going to get burned so badly, right? I think people who are going to trade the 15 minutes time frame or the 5 minutes, if you're already observing that you're getting burned a lot, just understand that it's the nature of this week. The thing is that the market is choppy a lot. You can see ever since 26th of August, we've been moving all sideways. You can see how choppy the market really is. You don't even understand where the support is, where the resistance is, and especially if you are trading 1 minute, man, just stop, okay? Don't trade 1 minute, please, for God's sake. I would even understand 15 minutes, but man, don't trade 1 minute. But the thing is that right now this time frame is super choppy at the moment. It does look like, for example, right now, if you wanted to do another scalping or maybe just another little bit of a purchase on the short-term time frame, you could actually expect a move down to this trend line, maybe to 924, then bounce back up again to 968. Now during this time you have an opportunity to make at least like 4%, I guess, which is not worth it in my opinion. But if you are happy with 4% and it's scalping, I mean, it's not bad for some people. Some people use $100,000, and 4% of that is pretty big in my opinion. It's not bad. I mean, $400 is how much is 4% of $100,000? My math is a little bit weak. I don't remember. Okay, I just don't care right now. Whatever it is, I think maybe $4,000, $400. Let me know in the comments. I forgot math right now. But the thing is, let's go back and switch to the 4-hour time frame. And before I even talk about this comparison with Bitcoin, I just want to give a little bit of a shout out to DXP, DXRP. Do check them on. The link is in the description of the video. You have an opportunity to join their pre-sale right now of the ICO, and I think you can gain a huge benefit from them. And you can also check out a low cap meme coin if you want to love low cap meme coin that can do like a 10x's, 50x's, 100x when they'll get listed on exchanges. You have SPX 6969. Both of these product, the link is in the description, and you can check them out whenever you want. So the thing is that I think Bitcoin, on the other hand, is looking like this, and right now Bitcoin is also sideways. And what I'm noticing about Bitcoin is that Bitcoin has failed. So you have this one touch right there, you got another touch right here, you're trying to break out of it, but I think you're failing to do so. And if you get rejected again, you just might move a little bit lower. So I want to actually give you one more thing, that is Bitcoin can move to probably $98,000 in my opinion. And I'm gonna actually show you where the pattern was for this $98,000. Okay, so there's this little bit of sideways pattern that got broken out of just right over there, almost like a head and shoulder. So if I actually take top to bottom of this reversal pattern here, it actually shows that Bitcoin is easily going to move like to 100k, if not $98,000. September, we could even be we could even expect to see Bitcoin going under 90,000, maybe to 88,000ish, and then try to move back up again. So we also have 3 black crows, very similar to what Pepe has. So I think this 5 days we're going to see a very boring market. People are going to actually get confused if the market is bullish or if the market is bearish. And I'm telling you beforehand, because I know your mental health, guys. I want to take care of that, because you might actually think what is going on in the market, but if you see the market moving choppy for the next 5 days, understand that is pretty much what is expected. And then the next week, right, when the new weekly candle starts in, there should be another volatility. And of course, Pepe could continue the very, very long sideways, pump a little bit in the middle, drop a little bit in the middle. So with every single candle, like one day you're going to be bullish, second day you're going to be bearish, third day you're going to be bullish again. And they'll throw you out of your synchronization, right? So we call this a zigzag sync. The market is moving like this, but you're going to be moving the opposite way like this, right? So you're not going to catch the market. You're not going to buy at the right time, you're not going to sell at the right time. And that's just the nature of sideways market, which is always created to do that for traders. The only way to trade that market is to actually avoid a market like that. And that's it for the video, and I'm going to see you the next one. Love is.